to address a convocation session or a graduate ceremony session. In fact, this is my first participation in any formal graduate ceremony session, and it brings a lot of pride and great sense of humility, humbleness. I wouldn't dare to go for a long speech, primarily because of two reasons. This morning session has been a bit long. Second reason is I am on a bad throat. So just a couple of points I would like to talk about to the students who pass out today. One thing I'm particularly glad about this group of students is that there is an overwhelming percentage of female students who opted for business management. This was not the case 5 years back. In the last 5 years, we're seeing this reverse trend in Kerala. And this is really joyous to find that more and more female, more and more lady students are opting for management professions. When you go into management, having done an MBA, you are a different person. It is well evident when somebody finishes his graduation. Sometimes he or she works in an organization for a couple of years and then goes for his MBA, his or her MBA. And out of the MBA school comes a totally different person. The attitudes are different, personality is different, character is different. He or she is all set mostly to join a corporate. But today, if you look at the fast-changing world in the last 5 years, a job in the corporate sector is not the final ambition of any management graduate. Today, while we look for employment, we also look for giving employment. Entrepreneurship is the buzzword around the globe. All of you know that Kerala is now branded as the startup capital of the country. 2 or 3 years back or 5 years back, we never expected this. We thought this was a place which was not fit for any businesses to grow, to start or grow. We are reversing all those perceptions. If you look at numbers published by the Niti Aayog, Kerala is number 1 in startup ecosystem in the state. I would request all of you to take best utilize the situation. Dr. Biju Ramesh already told you about this. While working for an organization for a couple of years would give you the basic background or basic knowledge of how an organization functions internally, about the processes, procedures, policies. After 2 or 3 years, all of you should try and start your own enterprises, big or small, because that is what is going to change our nation's future. Another point which I want to impress upon all of you is the era is about technology. Nothing in our normal life, day-to-day life, can escape technology. Whatever you do today, there is something of engineering and technology going behind it. So stay ahead or stay at least updated on what is happening globally in the technical areas. That will immensely help you in your careers and in your future growth. In this oath which you took right now, there are some key words for you to take back home. Values, ethics, and sustainable development. I hope all of these words become true keywords for all of you in the future. Because it is based on these 3 values that our nation and globally all nations will prosper in the coming decades. I basically come from a company or a group of companies who firmly believe in ethics and values above everything. I normally don't tell this in any public forums, but here, since I touched upon this topic, the Tata Group of companies, where I belong, is one of those rare group of companies across the globe who believes that we will follow strict guidelines or strictly follow ethics and values in all our businesses. We will not be doing anything that is unethical or negative for the society. There is an ecosystem around us which is helping us achieve our goals. It comprises of colleges, it comprises of faculty members, your parents, your relatives, friends, even the pan shop person in your neighborhood. The whole ecosystem is contributing to your development. ഒറ്റയ്ക്കാരും ഒരു ഓട്ട മത്സരവും ജയിക്കില്ല എന്ന് ഗാന്ധിജി പറഞ്ഞ വാചകമുണ്ട്. കൂടെ ഓടാൻ ആളുള്ളവരും പുറകെ ഓടാൻ ആളുള്ളവരും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഒരാൾക്ക് ജയിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. ചുറ്റുവട്ടത്ത് ഒരു എക്കോസിസ്റ്റം ഉണ്ട്. So we have to honor that ecosystem. We have to give back to the society when you start earning. Every Tata company gives back to the society 2/3 of its profits. ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണത്. ലോകത്തൊരിടത്തും കാണാത്ത ഒരു മാതൃകയാണത്. ലാഭത്തിൻ്റെ 2/3 തിരിച്ച് സൊസൈറ്റിയിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നത് കൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ വാല്യൂസ്, എത്തിക്സ് ആൻഡ് സസ്റ്റൈനബിൾ ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഇത്രയും സംസാരിച്ചത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇനിയുള്ള മുന്നോട്ടുള്ള പ്രയാണത്തിലും ഇത്തരം വാല്യൂ സിസ്റ്റംസ് മുറുകെ പിടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വേണം മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ എന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു ഭാവി ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വിഷിംഗ് യു ഓൾ ഗ്രേറ്റ് കരിയേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഗ്രേറ്റ് സക്സസ് ഇൻ യുവർ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ എൻഡേവേഴ്സ്. താങ്ക് യു.